Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I want to show you how I use this microfiber duster made by a lady named Victoria Krasny with Growing Green Minds. And as you can see, it does not come off the Swiffer. And I'm going to use it to dust that ceiling fan. I like to spray a little bit of my thieves cleaner on it, kind of help it stick a little bit more. And you just run it over the ceiling fan, and it collects and traps any dust that may be up there. You don't have to spray it. I just like to. I think it adds a nicer smell, and it grabs the dust even more. This really isn't very dusty, but I like to touch it up when I'm here. But you can see, get away from the bed. Check it out. It will not come off. You can shake, 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 shake your Swiffer duster right, and it will not come off day or night. See that? Will not come off. And it still has the dust on there. Awesome. Love it. Growing Green Minds. See you later. Peace.